Are you tired of chasing happiness in material things or waiting for the perfect moment to feel truly joyful? Let's dive into Krishna's life to uncover the secrets of lasting happiness that lie within us. Welcome to Krishna Wisdom with Muskan. In today's video, we'll explore the life of Lord Krishna and discover how his teachings and actions show us the path to true happiness. Krishna's wisdom teaches us that happiness isn't something we chase, it's something we cultivate from within. So, let's dive into an inspiring story from Krishna's life that will transform the way you think about joy. The Village Dilemma. Once in the vibrant village of Gokul, the residents were engaged in a heated debate. They wanted to understand the true source of happiness. One group argued that happiness came from wealth, others believed it lay in relationships, and some claimed it could only be found in achieving great power. Confused and restless, they approached the wise elder of the village, who suggested seeking guidance from Krishna, the divine child known for his eternal joy. When the villagers arrived, they found Krishna playing his flute under a tree, surrounded by his friends. The music filled the air with peace and joy, and the villagers were struck by Krishna's radiant smile. One of them asked, "Krishna, you always seem so happy. What's your secret? How can we, too, find this kind of happiness?" Krishna smiled knowingly and said, "Come, sit by me. Let me share the lessons I have learned." Lesson 1: Happiness in the present moment. Krishna began, "Happiness isn't something you find outside, it's within you, in the present moment. When I was a child, I loved to steal butter. Do you think the joy was in the butter? No, it was in the act of sharing laughter with my friends and family. Happiness is about enjoying the little things around you, no matter where you are." He continued, "See this breeze around us? It doesn't think about yesterday's storms or tomorrow's heat. It flows freely in the moment. Be like the breeze, live in the now." Lesson 2: Detachment brings peace. Krishna then told them about his teachings to Arjuna during the Mahabharata. In the battle of Kurukshetra, Arjuna was consumed by doubt and fear. He thought happiness lay in avoiding war and its consequences. But I told him, true happiness comes from doing your duty with focus and detachment, not from worrying about the results. When you perform your actions selflessly and without expecting rewards, you free yourself from stress. That freedom is the essence of joy. Lesson 3: Embrace challenges gracefully. Krishna shared another story from his life. When I was a baby, Kansa, my uncle, sent demons to kill me. But I didn't fear them. I knew my purpose, and I faced those challenges with faith and courage. Life will always test you, but when you stay calm and focused, happiness finds you, even in the toughest times. Lesson 4: The power of love and compassion. Finally, Krishna spoke about the bond he shared with his devotees. Love and compassion are the roots of true happiness. When you give without expecting anything in return, you feel fulfilled. My love for Radha and my friends in Gokul was pure and unconditional. It is this love that brings eternal joy. Lesson 5: Happiness in surrender and faith. Krishna looked at the villagers and said, "There is one more secret to true happiness: surrender and faith. In life, there will be moments when things don't go as planned. During such times, trust the divine plan and surrender your worries." When Draupadi was humiliated in the Kaurva court, she called out to me with unwavering faith, and I came to protect her. Her surrender wasn't a sign of weakness, it was a sign of strength. When you trust fully and let go of fear, you allow divine grace to fill your heart with peace and happiness. He concluded, "Faith doesn't mean everything will always be easy, but it gives you the strength to smile even in the face of challenges." And that's how Krishna's life and teachings show us the path to true happiness. Remember these 5 lessons. 1. Live in the present moment. 2. Practice detachment from results. 3. Face challenges with courage. 4. Lead with love and compassion. 5. Surrender and trust in the divine plan. Happiness isn't found outside, it's cultivated within. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and comment your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Krishna Wisdom with Muskan for more inspirational stories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.